Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Treatment of adrenocortical carcinoma. So, in the treatment, we are dealing with adrenocortical carcinoma. So, if we see the treatment of adrenocortical carcinoma, we do a open surgery can be done. In the open surgery, we do an ad block dissection of the organ. Complete adrenal organ is dissected. The adrenal organ which is enlarged is actually dissected completely along with the regional lymphadenopathy. So this is en bloc open surgery is done in most of the conditions. Okay, then for medical therapy you can give drugs like ketoconazole, amino glutathamide and methylapone are given. These will actually control the steroid secretions. Because they will control the steroid secretions, these can also be given to the patient, but main treatment is by surgery. Then metotane can also be given to these patients. Actually, what is a metotane? Metotane is a principal chemotherapeutic agent and it is a derivative of DDT. It is a chemotherapeutic agent and it is a derivative of DDT, and this is used as an adjuvant to the surgery, and it also acts as a primary therapy if the tumor is not resectable or if it is a metastatic disease. If there is metastatic disease and tumor is not resectable, then you can use metotane as a primary therapy, but normally it is used as an adjuvant to the therapy. Then the use is actually limited, but there is because of the side effects. The side effects of metotane are actually there is significant gastrointestinal and neurological toxicity is seen in these patients. Then prognosis of adrenocortical carcinoma. In the prognosis, the most important predictor of prognosis is adequacy of resection. That is, when you do a proper resection, then there is increased chances of survival. But unfortunately, this adrenocortical carcinoma has a poor prognosis with a 5-year survival rate of only 15 to 20%. If they have incomplete resection, if they were not resected completely, if there is incomplete resection, this will have decreased life expectancy, and the median life expectancy of these patients is less than 1 year. Then if the patients if they are prone to development of local recurrence or metastasis, in this case the life expectancy of the patient in this case will be around 2 years only. So life expectancy mainly depends upon the adequacy of resection, and sometimes local recurrence and metastasis also plays a role.
thank you and thank you for watching.